The pressure plate assembly is also known as the cover assembly. It's bolted to the flywheel, and although pressure plate assemblies come in two types, both operate the same. First, there's the coil spring type, which normally uses 3 levers activated by the clutch release bearing. There's also a diaphragm type, which uses a Belleville spring in place of levers and coil springs. The assembly is simpler in design and contains fewer parts. In the following illustrations, we'll see the coil spring type. Let's now move on to the clutch release bearing, often called the throwout bearing. When the pedal is released, the clutch is engaged, and the clutch release bearing is pulled away from the pressure plate levers. This allows the opposite end of the levers to release the springs, forcing the friction disc against the flywheel. There are 2 types of clutch release bearings. One has a flat surface face, and the other has a rounded surface face. The type of clutch bearing is dependent on the type of levers in the pressure plate. Sometimes the levers have a straight edge, and sometimes the edges are curved.